Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel, where today I'm going to be talking about the Grizzly Adam Beard Oil. Now, I received this beard oil as part of their travel friendly kit, but it is the same beard oil that you get in their full size version. In fact, it is the only beard oil they really do, a Cedarwood and Lime scent. Now, it's available from grizzlyadam.co.uk, and the travel size 30ml oil with a pump dispenser will cost you £9.99. Now, that's not a bad size 30ml, is it? Even for travel size, you know, a lot of beard oils do come in 30ml. However, the quality does fail, I'm afraid. The Cedarwood and Lime scent, it doesn't smell like a very good cedarwood scent. It really doesn't. And the lime, I'm not getting the freshness from it. You know, you imagine that lovely woodsy scent with the freshness of the lime, and it just isn't working, in my opinion, I'm afraid. Now, the oil itself is made up of argan and almond oil, and it's quite a clear oil, and it wasn't too bad. I worked it into my beard like you always should, right down, really work it right into the beard and down onto the skin, and it worked in well, but it was okay. That's what I'm going to say. It was okay. You know, I definitely wouldn't rave about this oil. It is what it is. I'm going to give it a 50 out of 100. It is all natural. It does hold a cosmetic product safety report for sale in the EU, as all products should do. But yeah, alas, the scent really fails, and I feel like, you know, if it had a better base blend, something's not working right there. And the same with the scent. I don't know with the scent whether it's the ratios, but it smells like to me that it's the quality or the type of Cedarwood and Lime that they are using. That's my 2p worth. So there you go, grizzlyadam.co.uk. And that is that. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.